Yes, once again I welcome you students. The previous lecture we have seen what is PLD and the types of PLD in it. The first type is going to be a simple programmable logic device. In that simple programmable logic device we have seen further categories in it. The first and foremost is going to be the PROM, followed by PAL and PAL. Now we'll see how to implement your ROM as a programmable logic device, how to construct ROM by means of your programmable logic device. So before doing so, we'll see the problem, how to construct it using a full adder. So you know what is a full adder? So full adder is going to comprise of 3 input variables and it produces 2 output functions. One is going to be the sum, another is going to be the carry. And in your second unit, that is in combinational circuit, we have already seen what is a full adder, how to construct a full adder using XOR gate, AND gate, OR gate and all, and how to construct a full adder by means of 2 sets of half adders, and also how to make your decoder converted into full adder and all. So once again I recollect it. Here I am making use of a decoder which is 3x8, which has got 3 input variables and produces 8 possible combinations of the minterm 0 to 7. And of course your sum by means of the truth table, you can get the sum as well as a carry. These are the possible input combinations from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1. And sum is going to be produced at 1, 2, 4 and 7, and your carry is going to be at 3, 5, 6, 7. So of course in this you are going to use OR gate which produces a sum. You are giving the input as 2, 4 and 7, of course 1, to produce the sum. To produce a carry, you are going to take 3, 5, 6 and 7. So now we are going to convert this into a programmable logic device. So as I said, ROM is going to be converted into a programmable ROM where it is going to have a set of AND gates which are fixed and programmable OR gates. So here both our AND gates which is used in the decoder as well as OR gates are fixed. So it's a normal combinational circuit. So this has to be converted into a programmable ROM or PLD where you are going to convert this OR into a programmable OR values. So here the similar block is represented by means of 3 to 8 decoders. It has got 3 input variables, 2 to the power of 3, 8 outputs. So it needs 8 AND gates to produce 8 outputs of a sum of minterms. So you are going to have 0 to 7 produced, the products ABC, product of ABC of various combinations. And output is given to programmable OR with sum and carry, where the sum is going to have 1, 2, 4 and 7 in it, and the carry is going to be 3, 5, 6, 7 in it. So output is going to be sum of the minterms of these product terms. So this is how you convert a full adder with the help of a decoder which has got fixed AND arrays followed by programmable OR arrays. We will see a similar problem. The second problem, we are not going to say any function like adder or subtractor. Here it has got simple 2 functions, A and B, which produces sum of minterms at 5, 6, 7 and 3, 5, 6, 7. So here there are 3 variables. So these variables will decide how many inputs are there. So 3 input variables. Of course we are going to use decoders to construct the AND array. So 2 to the power of 3, 8 AND arrays are used here which produces M0 to M7 as the product terms, and these output lines are given to programmable OR lines. So the first function is A which makes use of 5, 6 and 7. So you are going to have 5, 6 and 7 programmed, and here it is going to be 3, 5, 6, 7 for the function b. So this x here indicates these are programmed. These makes a programmable connection with the OR gate. So A is going to be sum of the products of the min terms 6, 5 and 7, and this is going to produce the function which is of sum of min terms, which is of 3, 5, 6 and 7. Look at the another problem, how to construct 16 cross 5 prom. So here it has got 16 output lines from the decoder and 5 output functions. So this is of 2 to the power of 4. So your decoder should have 4 input variables. Say here it is w, x, y, z. So it has got 4 input variables. You have to construct a 4 to 16 decoder. So it has got 16 AND arrays arranged, fixed over here, whose min terms are m0 to m15. So you have to draw corresponding output functions. So corresponding output, there are 5 functions in it ranging from A0 to A4. So A0 to A4 are the 5 functions. So you need 5 connections over this line, and all these where you have to do the programmable connection is for A0 the programmable connection is at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12 and 14 to produce A0, summation of A0 value. A1 is going to be 2, 3, 6, 7, 11, 12, 15. So you can produce summation of A1. Similarly, A2, A3 and A4. So all these X indicates these are the programmable connection. Output functions are nothing but a sum of the min terms produced at the output of the AND gate. So this is another problem, how to construct a 4 cross 2 ROM. So this is 2 to the power of n by m ROM, a simple way of n inputs and m outputs. So 2 cross 4 ROM is, it is going to have 2 input lines and 4 output lines. The 4 output lines are designated as 0, 1, 2, 3. It is nothing but a 2 cross 4 decoder. So it has got 2 ROM functions f1 and f2. f1 is 0, 1, 2, 3 and f2 is also 0, 1, 2, 3. So it has got 4 output lines. So it represents 4 cross 2 ROM functions f1 and f2. Thank you. Followed by this lecture, you will be posted with the assignment questions. Kindly solve it and upload this in our Moodle. Thank you.